Hey, Dr. Karen Can here. Welcome to another edition of the Spiritual Medicine Digest. And it is near Christmas holiday time for, for many parts of the world. I know in Australia it's a little strange because it's warm and sunny. But for those of us in the Northeast, it's been bitterly cold this week, and that's a good thing for those of us that want to skate on wild ice. So I don't mind that. Sorry, guys, not doing weather magic to change the weather here in Lake Placid, New York. So every week on the Spiritual Medicine Digest, I highlight something that has been coming forward as far as energy healing, spiritual healing, or the Ascension process. And this week is no different. So this week, what I've been guided to share with you is something related to the Ascension process. So the Ascension process is like more of an energetic expansion process than anything. It's not religious or Catholic or Christian or anything like that per se. It's really about expanding our consciousness and spiritual energies. And what's really interesting is that I've been mapping out over the last several years that there seems to be a cycle to this. Now, I'm sure it fits into some Fibonacci sequence, but I'm not a mathematician, so I haven't figured out exactly what that is. I just test what phase of the Ascension cycle we're in, and we get an answer when I ask Source. So recently we just finished off the Ascension resistance phase, which was very, very short in between last video and this video. So that's a phase where sometimes we can, symptom-wise, may notice some anger coming up, mass consciousness may be releasing entities, things that are able to heal now related to entities heal then, and the resistance we're talking about, those energies that resist the increasing positive vibration of the world, and they come out for the possibility to be able to be healed. So we get these little, things from time to time. Oh my gosh, there's so many entities or whatever. It's just a brief blip, and it wasn't that they weren't there before. It's just that we didn't know about them. It didn't affect us. They weren't available to be healing until now. So that is over. Yay. And see, you almost missed that, right? It's just a few days. So the phase of the Ascension cycle we are in right now is called the integration phase. So with each phase of the Ascension cycle, there are particular challenges for some of us, sensitive soul or not. Those that are sensitive souls sometimes have a greater opportunity to really nip it in the bud, any symptoms that might be related to the increasing energies. So this week, what's been happening over the last couple of days since the recording of this is that there are, like, for every physical part of us, every physical cell, system, etc., there is an energetic blueprint or version of that. What's been going on with Ascension energies is as those energies rise and expand, the challenge is to be able to integrate the expanded energetic blueprint of all those organs, glands, and cells to balance it with the physical, right? So you've got your energetic and then you've got your physical, and we want them to play together and balance. And how do we know when there's an issue there? Well, sometimes we just know because we're in a body and we have some sort of symptom. Now, what I noticed over the last couple days is that I ended up with a little spot on my shoulder that was a rough spot. And I might not think too much about it, except that my skin has been incredibly awesome for many years, especially after using some of the LifeWave phototherapy patches. And I used to have like all sorts of like rough stuff, zits, you name it, I had it, weird scars. Anyway, so for this spot to show up out of nowhere was kind of odd, but guess what? I was super busy, so didn't really test to figure it out. But then other things started, like I noticed other things, and the big symptom for me personally, may not be for you, but for me, is constipation. So when I have constipation, in fact, I was so busy yesterday, I don't even remember if I pooped, and I don't think I did until like 12 o'clock at night, and I'm like, I don't think I pooped yet. I was like, oh, maybe I should test what's going on, right? So that's my signal to test and figure out what's going on, because if I'm pooping well, if I'm skating well, then there's, unlikely to be any major glitches in my physical body related to Ascension. But in this case, what I found out was there were about 8 different systems in my body where the energetic and the physical didn't really balance. Okay, and for me, the systems were like immune system, parts of the nervous system, the lymphatic system, which was, causing these little, I had 2 now yesterday, these little bumpy spots, the skin, the integumentary system, say that 3 times fast. What else? Immune. Well, anyway, so I counted them last night before going to bed. So what we do in this case is you can just check how well balanced are the physical and energetic systems, together. So the digestive system, energetic and physical, how happy is that balance? Get a number out of 100% if you are divine muscle testing. That's what you want to test. And then if they are less than 95% happy, then if you don't need to know more, you can just do a directive and direct positive healing energies to rebalance those 2 states, right? The physical and the energetic. And usually within seconds, it rebalances. Now, as far as how do I know if it's working? Well, in my case, I get to poop. Now I did check that it was going to process for several hours. So I went to bed, and then this morning I was able to poop. So you may have different symptoms or no symptoms, So if you do divine muscle testing, you could just check. The question to ask is, how many systems do I have where the physical and the energetic parts are not fully balanced? Okay. You can do that with cells. You can do that with systems. You can do that with parts of systems like organs. See what resonates for you. And then for the most part, if you don't need to know extra information, you can go ahead and balance it using a Topican healing directive. If you do need to know more, then you may have to look up, what it is you need to know. And we use the Topican healing guides from Topican level 1 training to figure out what it is God wants us to know and understand, acknowledge, and then the healing can occur. Yeah. So check it out. Hopefully you have not been that symptomatic. I think this is a very crucial time for highly sensitive people, though, to really stay present because there's a lot of energies going around. Usually there's a lot of stress during the holidays, and we don't want to get wrapped up into that other people's stress, right? So you want to stay here, you want to stay present, do your being or STOIM, exercise where you fully are full of yourself. I do have a couple of announcements. Number 1 is I have Lisa Erickson joining me for the show on Monday, and we're going to be talking about energy work for healing sexual trauma. She's going to talk a lot about the chakras and what happens, and she is an author of the book. Let me get this correct here. Chakra Empowerment for Women: Self-Guided Techniques for Healing Trauma, Owning Your Power, and Finding Overall Wellness. Sounds really cool, right? Yeah. So we were so happy to be able to get her on the show on Monday. So that's going to be 12 noon Eastern, and we'll put the link below this video. If you are on YouTube, you can click the link, and even if you miss the show live, you can always go and watch the replay because that'll be archived for you. The other announcement is that if you are interested in the biggest energy healing event of the year or of next year, as it's advertised, that is the Life Transformation Summit, and that is starting in January, but we are getting the ball rolling so you can get access to those special handpicked healers that are part of that Life Transformation Summit. I am one of them. I'm so pleased to be one of them. And what's really cool about the summit, it's we're not doing interviews this time. We are doing pre-prepared videos where you get a healing group, like a healing experience during the video, as well as some learning. And this is very different and fun for me because I got the go-ahead to teach the way I like to teach. Although I love interviews, okay, but it's just audio, and 80% of people are visual. So I got to teach the way I like to teach, with slides, pictures, animation, humor, that kind of thing. So I'm really excited for you to check it out. So you just need to go to the link. We will put that below this video as well to enroll in the Life Transformation Summit. It's free for you to join. It's going to start in January, and definitely get your spot as soon as possible. We want to know how many people are going to be in this summit, and I'm super excited for you to take a look at what I did, and hope you love it as much as I loved creating it. So until next week, I wish you a very, very happy holidays if you actually are celebrating the holidays. Safety for you, sending you lots of love, lots of angels to keep everyone safe and calm, and remember to do your stillness exercise, and just remember, love, that's what the season is about. So from my home to yours, lots of love to you. Bye for now. Talk to you next week. Bye.